Which ones?
Well, let me get it scooted in first.
This one too. Is it a bit short?
No. It's not quite even. You get a little bit of an angle on the floor or the walls. Yeah, that's good. Alright. Marker.
Let's start here.
And you're missing a line.
Huh?
You're missing a line.
What means?
I marked it here.
Oh, yeah.
Uh,
So it's gonna be okay here?
yeah. Yeah, it's fine. It don't matter. I gotta cut the other one to fit the area anyway.
I don't know why I can't see. I left my glasses downstairs. I was wondering why it's so hazy.
The blind leading the dumb. Went in. Now, as you can see, we're doing subflooring. I do have a wife, and she does know how to do carpentry. This is Mike, Wildcat Hollow Farm. It's been a while since I've done a video, but most of you know I've been busy, and this is why. She's here. She's on the farm. She's been here for a week yesterday. And we already put the subfloor down in the bedroom. We're getting ready to do more subflooring today. There'll be a little bit of video on that and maybe some further explanations later, but I don't know. Life is pretty good. It's I think we're going to have to build Noah's Ark shortly. It's been raining here for like a week now. But we're not flooded in yet, but highly likely in the next couple of days. More video to come. Alright. I was a contractor, but I got injured in 2007, so I haven't done a lot of stuff for like a long time. And I took measurements, and I cut this piece of subfloor to fit around all of this stuff by numbers, and I made one boo-boo right here. I didn't measure it 3/4 inches back like I needed to, but it won't matter because that'll be a door jamb. So, not too bad for not having done it in 13 years. And I'd say it fits pretty well. And we're moving right along. We've got the bedroom area done. There's Petra and Barnaby. Barnaby has his nose in the nail bag because he thinks it's food. Yep, there's it. And so far we're cruising right along. We'll do the closet section next. We're going to take a break first. I'm old and decrepit and require my sleep. But we're good and we're doing well. Yep, as you can see, the bedroom's subfloor is in, and subfloor all the way down. Got the closet subfloor in, got the bathroom subflooring in, and ran out of subflooring. The other day I got to thinking about well stuff. When I got here and I got this corner over here cleaned up behind me, the only thing I found was the well cap and a broken piece of pipe. I assumed that they had stripped it out, which they did actually, but it didn't occur to me until the other day that maybe they actually had dropped everything down in the well. Well, I took a half-gallon milk jug and filled it with gravel and water and hooked it to a rope, and I dropped it down in the well, hoping that everything was clear. Well, it wasn't. It stopped at 50 feet. I called Caleb Randolph at Randolph Well, had them come out this morning, and they pulled the old pipe and the old pump out. And I'm going to cut the camera here and show you guys. Yeah, there's the old well pump, and as you can see by the mud on the end of it, it was down in the mud, and it would appear that the mud down there is only about 10-12 inches deep, and there was 20, 40, 50 foot of pipe down in it. And since that well is only 104 foot deep, yeah, but we got lucky. Caleb was able to pull it out of the well with very little problems. Now, if you notice, something's missing here. There's no wire. So whoever did it broke the wiring loose or cut it from the looks of it. Right there's the ends of the wire. And they stole the copper out of it and dropped the rest of it down in the well. And I'd really like to know who it was, because I'd give them more than several pieces of my mind. But now that we know for a fact the well is clear all the way to the bottom. So we're good. Well, Saturday will happen on schedule.